In this Adobe Photoshop tutorial, you would like to present how to create a Papercraft text effect. Let's begin. Here, I have used Adobe Photoshop CC. You can use it, or another like Adobe Photoshop CS6. Now, press Ctrl+N to create any document. In the new document, name is Paper Text Effect Photoshop, then, change the width value is 600, height value is 200, resolution is 72, and click Create button. Now, go to Select, Move tool. Now, let's create the gradient for the background, so, go to Select, the Gradient tool. Then, click on the gradient, and the Gradient Editor window will open. Now, select the appropriate gradient preset. In the gradient point, 0% location, color black, and set its strip point in 22%. In the gradient point, 70% location, color white, and set its strip point in 22%. In the gradient point, 100% location is color white. Now, set name, Paper Effect Gradient, and click OK. Then, select the very top left corner of the background to very top right corner, and apply the gradient. Now, select the Horizontal Type tool. Then, click on the background, and select the front name is Discodeck. Now, type a letter P, and select the Move tool. Then, press Ctrl+Enter to release the tool. Then, create a new text layer, and click again with the text tool, and type a letter A. Again, press Ctrl+Enter on PC or Command+Return on Mac to release the tool. Now, do the same over and over until you have all the 5 letters on a different text layer each. Then, select the Move tool. Now, you are going to arrange the letters to get the overlapped look of the final effect. Then, select to all text layer, and create a group, and layer name is Letter. Now, create a new layer over the letter group. Then, select the text layer, P. Now, select the gradient overlay. Then, from the Layer Style panel, choose the best gradient preset, and click OK. Now, select the angle from the style. Then, change the angle is -90 degree. And, select the drop shadow. Select angle 120. Now, go to Styles, and change the new style panel, name is Paper, and click OK. Then, click OK from the Layer Style panel. Now, select the text layer A, and apply the recently created gradient style over it. Then, again select the remaining text layers, and apply the recently created gradient style over them. Now, change the new layer name is Fill Color, and click Enter. Now, from the color picker, Solid Color, panel type the color code is FF8200, and click OK. Then, select Soft Light. Now, select the both letter and background layer, and select the Align Horizontal Centers. Finally, here's the finished Papercraft Text Effect. Try it with different fonts and with different colors. Now, you can save it as an Adobe Photoshop format or an image format.